How to find trial chambers in Minecraft. So the first method is just basically running into it randomly. Since if you're in a depth of 0 to -20, you'll have a chance to stumble upon a trial chamber. So the next method is go to a village and find a cartographer. And if your cartographer is has a level of journeyman, it will start selling you this trial explorer map, which you can buy with these requirements right here, and you simply get it. And now we have our map right here. So now you can just simply use it and follow the map. As you can see, there is the marked position of the trial chamber. You simply go there and dig down. So as you can see right here, just keep digging down till you reach like a depth of -20. And as you can see, we now have reached the trial chamber. So I'm on a depth of -28. Now you can just simply go here and start the trials and get the rewards and stuff. But that's how I basically find trial chambers in Minecraft.